how to create personalized emails in HubSpot CRM. So first go to your dashboard here, and then click on marketing, and then click on email here. Okay, now just click on create email here at the top right corner, and then click on regular, then just click on next, then use any of the templates here. So for example, I just want to use a simple template. Click on this one. So next is here you can personalize the email that you want to send. So let's say, for example, I want to add an image here at the top of my email, and then just upload the email here if you want. So next is, let's say I want to add a button here at the bottom, and then just want to add a social here at the bottom. So let's say I'm done editing it, the name, the URL, the links. Let's say I'm done editing all of this and the email itself. So let's say let's preview it, what it would look like once that person opens the email. So here it would look like this on desktop, and here it would look like this in phone. Okay, so next is back, and then just click on review and send. Of course, you need to fill in all of the required fields. Sender schedule. Here on your settings, you can fill in all of the details here for contact or for the person that you want to send this email to. Here, select the recipients here. If you want to automate it, you can, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so after you're done customizing the settings, done customizing here, done adding the recipients, just click on review and send, and you're done. Okay, of course you can send it now or schedule it for later. You can do that as well. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.